Hey everybody, a lot of people have been asking for a blacksmithing video, so here's one. I'll be forging a leaf. I haven't done any forging in about 3 months now. Festival season is now upon us, and I'll be doing a couple festivals this year, and most of what I make at those is small knickknacks, things like leaves. So let's see if I can remember how to make a leaf. There's step one, a lopsided point. Might got a little overzealous there. I think that's going to break off. Oh, making me sad. But just like leaves in nature, these leaves start as a small bud. It's not the prettiest leaf in the world, but that'll do. I've got a lot of practice before I do my first festival this weekend.